We think it's critical that we have an in-person consultation with a potential client because we really want to know from them what happened. It is so important to understand the details of what occurred the day or the evening of the arrest. We want to know, what did you have to eat that day? What did you drink that day, and when did you drink it? We want to know how much sleep you had the night before, because oftentimes the symptoms of being exhausted can be confused with the symptoms of being intoxicated on alcohol. We want to know everything that was said between you and the police officers. We want to know if you had friends with you in the car or who were with you shortly before the arrest, who saw you in a different light and who can testify that you appeared to be sober and not intoxicated. There are so many details in a DUI case that are critical. I often say that in the thousands of DUI cases that I have been involved with, both as prosecutor and defense attorney, that DUI cases are like fingerprints. Everyone is different. No two ones are alike. And oftentimes it's facts, it's subtle details in the case that really make the difference that are significant and that make the difference between being convicted and not being convicted. And as much as we might know about the law and the science and the mechanics of DUIs, we weren't there when the arrest took place. The client was, or the potential client was. And that's why it's so critical for us to sit down with them face to face and get that story and get that details so we can assess their case and start to put it together.